It's been a year since I started this YouTube channel. Was it tough? Do I have any regrets? Is it monetized? What have I learned and am I going to continue? Let me tell you about that. If you don't know me, my name is Alexey and I've been doing UX design for about 15 years. I made this channel to talk about design and share my experience. It's been challenging and thrilling, especially at the beginning. When I started this YouTube channel, I thought it would be a fun side project, a way to share my passion for design with other people. I decided to make tutorials, tips and perhaps share designer stories. Little did I know that the process of creating content would end up teaching me as much, if not more, than I was teaching other people. Filming, scripting, lighting, video editing, everything I have to learn on the fly, developing my skills from video to video. Maybe I had to ask myself more frequently what's the story I'm trying to tell and why should someone care about this design tool. Some of the topics were surprisingly more interesting than I thought. For example, my most watched video is the one where I design a website in FIGMA and tell how I'm doing this or that. The fun part is that I made this video in a rush while traveling with my friends on a train to Salzburg. And later I decided to make the better version of this video, more well thought, well explained, but it didn't have even the 10th success of the original. How it works, I don't know. Of course, I was planning to get this channel monetized by the end of the first year. Has it happened? No. Am I disappointed? To some extent, yes. It was a huge spike in the views in August and September 2023, and after that, in November, the views went to almost zero. So did my motivation, because I couldn't understand what happened and why. However, I kept grinding even with the low spirits. When I step back and see how this improved me as a person, it beats all the disappointment. And by improvements I mean not the content creation skills, but the self-discipline that I had to build around that. In 2024 the views slowly started recovering and grow month after month, and now the major percentage of my views are coming from search, which means that I create something that people are searching for, which is a good sign to me. All I need to do is continue what I'm doing right now and improve video after video. So one of the main things that I realized is that consistency is key in content creation. I used to think that when the inspiration comes, I'd be hit from above with a great idea and execute it flawlessly, but YouTube doesn't work that way. I made more than 40 videos and only one of them got more than 10k views. Of course, there is a chance to go viral with any video, and many YouTubers say that it only takes one video for the channel to blow up. But in the world of content creation, consistency is everything. And those 10k views I made when I was posting like crazy, like twice or 3 times per week. So I think that I need to become even more disciplined in my content creation crusade. Pushing through these hard moments when I have no inspiration also helped me to develop good ethic in other aspects of my life. For example, I started spending more high quality time with my family when I push all the gadgets aside and focus on that exact moment. I developed the mindset with the focus on long-term goals rather than immediate success. Consistent work day by day results in something great months or years later. Teaching others forced me to refine my own understanding of design. There were many moments when I was halfway through scripting a video and realized that I wasn't as clear on this topic as I thought. This pushed me to dig deeper, read more and become more fluent in UX design. I spent hours researching, trying new tools, making concepts, just to make sure my content is accurate and up to date. Ironically, the more I taught, the more I felt like a student myself. I wasn't just sharing what I knew, I was constantly learning alongside you, my audience. After a while and by reading your comments, I realized that people want stories. They don't want just to know how to do something, but they want to know the why behind the design. I see these comments more and more under my videos, and that's what I need to start explaining more. These were some of the best outcomes of my YouTube journey, and that also made me think that creating a UX design course might be not the bad idea. And that's what I'm working on right now. If you are interested, you can check the link below. The unexpected benefit of creating YouTube videos was that I can repurpose this content for articles on Medium. Not all of it is suitable to be presented in text format, but 50% of the content can be definitely made like articles. And that also opens me to another community of people who prefer to read rather than watch. Some people reached out to say thank you on both YouTube and Medium, and that's, together with your likes and comments, is priceless. That motivates me to continue like nothing else. Looking back, my 1-year YouTube journey was far more transformative than I anticipated. What started as a simple idea to share my thoughts and design experience evolved into deeper exploration of learning, storytelling, and discipline training. It pushed me out of my comfort zone and forced me to grow not only as a designer and content creator, but as a teacher and as a human being in general. If you are hesitating to start your own channel, I recommend to give it a go and see how it feels for you. After a year on YouTube, I learned that it's not just the platform for sharing videos, vlogs and stuff like that. It's the whole community of people and the space where your passion meets these people. I'm super excited to see what new lessons lie ahead and where the next year takes me. Join me in this journey by giving a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel. Let's continue doing the great work together, and see you in the next video.